it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel. And before I get started, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. And if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, that being said, I want to tell everybody, that I'm very, very behind on everybody's videos right now. So if you ain't heard from me in a while, I haven't even made a video in a while. But I've been working a lot of overtime, been having to work a lot. So that's the reason why it's taking me forever. I'm like probably 3 or 4 days behind on videos, and when I got a lot of people that I subscribe to and I keep up with, and so it's very hard, and I'm trying, and I'll get caught up. And Seamus, he was wondering about me, and yeah, I'm still alive, I'm still here. Well, all right. Last time I talked to y'all, I think I told you I was going to build the Submarine. It was a German U-boat, and I wanted to build it and put it in my pool and show y'all how it does. Well, I built it, but the design on the batteries that go in it, I'd have to do a lot of modification, and I'll show y'all here in a minute. I got it built, but I'll show you here in a minute. But and for you guys that don't know what I'm talking about, this is what I built right here, and I will have the build pictures at the end of the video on it and everything. But this is the one I'm building, and it is it's an Academy Minicraft U-581 German World War II submarine U-boat. It's in 1/150th scale, if you can see that right there, and it's motorized, and it's supposed to dive under the water. And like I said, I've gotten all that to work, but I guess the hull or whatever with it says size C batteries, and that's what I put in it. They don't want to, the hull don't want to close up with the batteries in it, so it either needs to be hauled out or something, I don't know. But then my little switch, the on and off switch that I put in it, done everything like it says to do, but you put the batteries up in it and the thing don't want to shut off. But I'll shut up about that. So BG, Brian, you probably won't get to see it in the pool, at least not for a while, but I'll go ahead and show y'all what I've done to it here in just a second. But I also want to tell you about since I've got this one done, what I'm fixing to start building. And I wanted to build me a Le Mans car from old Corvette, and then I got to researching, and I think I'm going to build a Sebring car from 1960 that won the Sebring race, 24 hours of Sebring, and that's in Florida. And this is the car that I'm going to build right here. You can see right here, number 6 car. It's a white 1960 Corvette, and that right there, that one sold, I think it sold for like, I think it was on Hibbings or whatever it was, $600 and something thousand or something, the real car. Crazy. But this is the model kit right here that I'm going to build, which it won't be like this, of course. It's going to be like I just showed you. And there's the side box art right here, and I've got several of these kits right here, so I might actually do a 1960 Le Mans car, 24 hours of Le Mans. But to do that car, I have to come up with some different decals. The Sebring car, I've already actually got the number 6 decals and everything to build that car, so that's the one I'm going to go ahead and build. And 2, Le Mans, Corvettes didn't win at Le Mans. Ferraris, Ferrari was pretty much always winning Le Mans, but that being said, and 2, I was at an antique shop today, and I actually had a day off, and I went through a couple of antique shops, and it's not a model, but my RC guys and all the guys my age that were kids back in the 70s and late 60s, early 70s or whatever will know what this is. And of course, the RC guys probably know what it is. It's not really an RC. This is before RC, you know. But this is a Cox gas powered. Now the gas motor's missing out of it, but you can buy all that stuff. It needs a good restoration, as you can see, but the main parts are there. It's just missing the headlights, the tail lights, you know, little license plate, whatever, you know, but it's missing the steering wheel, which is no big deal. I've already looked on eBay. These things go for a lot of money, but you can buy everything to restore these. But I remember when I was a kid, I had one. My brother had the orange one like this, my older brother, and I had the purple one, and they come in a couple different colors. And so this is one my brother actually had, but I played with it when I was a kid. But like I said, the Cox motor's gone out of it, and they open up like this, you know, and you can see back there where the motor would have went. But I just thought that was pretty cool. Only give $14 for it. Had to buy it. But I thought y'all would enjoy that. My RC guys will really enjoy that. They know what it is. And of course, you know, a lot of the other guys. I know Chris from CP101. BG, you know what it is. A lot of people know what they are. But I'm going to turn this around. I'm going to shut my mouth, and I'm going to show you the Submarine. And I might even put the motor in it too, or the batteries in it, and show you. But like I said, the hole won't shut and stuff, so it's going to be a while before I can put it in the swimming pool. So I'm going to get off here and turn around and show you. Alright guys, this is what I've gotten done right here. You can see right here, it's got a rubber seal right here, and this hole comes off and it screws in. And I've already taped up the batteries, and they're C batteries. Like I said, it just don't want to fit like it's supposed to. But I'm going to show you the Submarine. You can see right there the plate on it. It's a 1/150th scale German submarine type. What's that? VIIC. I don't know my Roman numerals, but U-581. You can see I got the rigging. Let's see. It's zoom in and out. There it is. Got the rigging done up, and it comes back to here. And this right here, watch this. You move this right here, and that gets this right here going up and down. There's my prop. I got the front rigging. I don't know if you can get my hand behind that. Look there. See the front rigging goes all the way up to here. You can see the decals on it, the guns. You can see the weathering on it. Here's the on and off switch right here. And like I said, that stupid thing, you can put the batteries in it and it'll come on, and there's the anchor. I'm not a military guy. I don't build a lot of military guys or models, but I got a hell of a lot of them. I'm going to start trying to build some of them. And this is one of the first ones I thought I'd start with. Y'all can remember here a while back I built the Red Baron plane. Still need to rig it. I seen old Charlie Mack. He's got a good video on rigging. He uses guitar string. A lot of people use that easy line, but man, it looks like that guitar string is probably about the way to go. But alright, there's that. I'm going to shut this off, and I'm going to take it off the stand, and I'm going to put the batteries in it and show y'all what it's going to do. There it is. There she's running. See her? See the prop moving? You can see the batteries under there. There's the hole. And there's the rubber seal. And the thing won't shut off. Like I said, there's the switch. You turn it on and off, and the thing doesn't shut off. And that's one reason why I'm going to shut this thing off. And then that's one reason why I'm not going to run it in the pool. I have to hollow all this out, So I don't think I'm going to mess with it. Sorry guys, I'm just going to bolt the, screw the hole up in it and just call it done. So, and I'll do that real quick. Alright, I took this rubber seal out of it. I won't put the batteries in it, but there it is. Alright guys, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Stick around at the end of this video and you'll get the build pics and the unboxing of the model. Thank you. Bye.